Welcome back, guys, to another video here with Eric Ray. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my headlights. So basically I got them there 4x6s. I got them off eBay. Just that whenever they come in, they come with just like regular 3-prong plug-in. I'll show you guys real quick. All right, so these are basically the headlights here, and then they just come with the 3-prong, and then it says like plug and play, which means just plug in and then they should basically work. But in that case they didn't work. So then what I ended up doing, I was looking YouTube videos and trying to figure out the problem. And then some people were using the H4 adapters, and then you could just kind of turn them into kind of like whatever you want to. So in this case, this is the H4 adapter. It's like the high, low, and then your ground. So basically my ground is on the right side. So I basically got one that had the ground on the right side. And then basically all of it worked to connect in here. If you guys want the link or whatever, I'll probably just throw it down there if you guys want it. But then basically with this yellow one, you could just get the tabs and then just switch these around, so that way it plugs into the factory one. So basically this one, you just plug it in, and then after you plug it in, you just gotta make sure all those little metal pieces are touching. And then other than that, you plug this one to your factory one, and then I'm gonna show you guys the lights. Alrighty guys, so this is where you plug it in, and then that's where you plug it into your factory one, the gray one. So basically this is your ground on the right side, and in this case for me, it plugs into the black wires, which is that one right there. So my right one, it's kind of hard to record, but this right one should go to that black wire. This black wire goes to the left one, which are the brown ones. And then the one on the left side here, that one just plugs right in the middle one. And then that's what made them work for me. I'm gonna hit the lights on real quick and then just basically show you guys how it looks. I can't really get the hold of the other side just because there's stuff in front and I got the bumpers off. So yeah, that's basically that. And then from these wires, you get to choose whether it's orange or white. And then I'll also show you guys that maybe in a different video. Alright, so whenever I hit the low beams like this, once I connect the other ones, I still haven't connected them because I don't want to mess with it yet. But once you connect that, your low ones, like kind of like halo lights, those should pop on. But then these are like your regular high beams. So that's the outer one. And then once you do your high beams, that's how they should look. And then that's without the high beams. And then these are regular high beams. Once you go to your low beams right here, that's when you get the kind of like the halo effect ones with that LED one. And then that's just off. But that's basically the headlights. So whenever I connect, because we're grabbing wire from these, the red one and the black one, we just brought like separate wire, but then you would basically connect them to these right here, and then with these, that's how you'll get that outer effect for that to work. Other than that, we got the cover off the Regal on other videos you guys haven't seen, but this is the 430 big block off the I think it was like the 67s through the 70s Buick. And then the interior you guys have seen, we got a different pair of spokes from Impala. I think it's from like 60, 64, 66, around there. So those are the Chevy Impala spokes. Kind of like the look. But yeah, that's basically the Regal. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna be posting more content. I know I haven't been posting anything, but there will be more. And then any little things I'll do here and there, I'll just kind of show you guys and then just keep you up with the process. It's kind of like a process for me too as well. And then right now I'm just waiting to do that. I'm probably gonna do the brakes next and then just get it checked, make sure everything's running. So that way, once I start taking it out again, nothing major happens, even though sometimes things happen. But I just have to figure out this taillight issue. It's kind of just a light bulb kind of turns like on and off, so I just got to figure that out. After that, yeah, just brakes, maybe do an oil change, all that good stuff. But other than that, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Peace.